In this video I'm gonna show you ways that you can monetize ChatGPT. That is a new AI technology that can hold natural conversation with humans, and in this video I'm gonna show you 5 ways that you can make money from it. Let's get started. Firstly, you want to go to chat.openai.com and register there for free using your Google account or with your email. And then that's the first thing you're gonna see. Now the first way that you can monetize it is using YouTube. On the lower part of their site, we're gonna type something, and afterwards we're gonna get the answer from that AI technology. Now I have asked ChatGPT to give me a list of top 10 most expensive cars, and in a matter of few seconds I have it. Now when I have the list of top 10 most expensive cars, I'm gonna type tell me more about each of them, and now I'm gonna have some more information about every one of them. And that basically is giving me a free script so I can make a YouTube video about it. If the script is too short and you need to make a longer video, you can ask again to make more detailed information about every one of them. I go to YouTube and search for top 10 most expensive cars, and you can see that that type of videos is getting millions of views. And I can say that it's easy to make based on that you already have a script for it. And if you want to make videos about it, now when you have the script, you can go back, you can copy one of the cars, paste it in Google, search it as an image, and then you can right click on the image and save it to your computer. And then when you're editing it, you just need to leave the picture of the car that you're talking about and then simply do a voiceover of the description that this AI is giving about that car. And if you're a shy person or you're not speaking very well, you can always go to Fiverr and hire someone for $5, give him the script that you have just generated and make the voiceover for you. And you can do that for any video that you want to make. The next method is by using Fiverr. So now I am going to fiverr.com. I'm typing script writing, and you can see here that there are a bunch of script writers that are offering their services starting from $5 up to 100 or even more. So you can make a gig on Fiverr, and whenever someone is having order for you to make a script about anything, let's say somebody reaches to you and asks to make a script for most dangerous place on the planet, you can just type it here and you're gonna have a detailed information about that topic. Also, if your client wants more information about it, you can always type there tell me more, and ChatGPT is gonna bring you even more information about it. So the number of words that the client wants from you, it doesn't matter. And also you can deliver your project really fast without wasting hours of work. The third method is using Medium. If you're not familiar, this is a website where people are writing blogs or stories. And just like YouTube, for every amount of views, you're getting some money. You just need to be in the partner program. So click on your profile and click apply for the partner program. Then click on apply now. Unlike YouTube, in here it's easier to get in the program. Next up, you select start. And here you can read about their requirements, from which you just need to have 100 followers, to have at least one blog, and to be over 18 years old. And very important, make sure that your country is listed in the available partner program countries. So basically in here how it works is on your main page you want to click on write, and then it's gonna open you another window which you can select your title and tell your story. You can write about anything you want, and for example let's make a blog about productivity. So I go into ChatGPT and I ask him to write me a blog about productivity. And then in a matter of less than 1 minute I'm gonna have the script for it that is gonna be ready to post on the website. And don't worry about the traffic on Medium. The platform is actually pushing your content, so as long as the story is good, you're gonna have views on it. So after I got my blog finished by this AI, I can also see that there are 5 points that I need to follow to be more productive. So I copy all of them, go to medium.com, and I paste it there. Then I go to title and I put it 5 ways to increase your productivity. The next step is to select publish, which is right here. And then just like YouTube, you can add some tags on it. You can put up to 5. So my blog is about productivity, so I am putting productivity, improvement and efficiency. Then I select publish now, and now you can see your blog. And I did all this under 2 minutes. So for 30 minutes per day, you can post around 10 blogs and easily get some traffic and get in the partner program of Medium. And for 1,000 views on your blog, you are expecting to get around $50. And if you're having 10 blogs that is reaching 1,000 views, you can get approximately of $500, which is a nice side income. Method number 4 of how you can make money on ChatGPT is using Upwork. As you can see now, I'm in Upwork.com. You just need to sign up. It's nothing scary. It's very easy to do. Then in the search tool, you can type script writing. At this moment, you can see that there are more than 2,000 jobs about script writing. and you can see how much they're paying for it. This post is paying between $45 and $70. This one is paying $1,000. The other one $20. 25, 150, and so on. So you can contact these people and ask what their script needs to be. Type it in ChatGPT and give it to them. And they're asking for script writers very often. As you can see, 46 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, 9 minutes ago. So you can message every one of them, ask what kind of script they need, then go to ChatGPT, copy paste it, and give it to them. So for example, let's say that you found a client and he's wanting to make an engaging content about cars. So down there you're typing make me an engaging script about cars and you're gonna get it. And really the topic doesn't even really matter. Whatever you're asking for, you're gonna get it. And if your client wants to have any changes on that script, you can ask ChatGPT to make the changes for you and deliver exactly what your client is looking for. And last but not least, number 5 is copywriting. And copywriting is about sending scripts to companies to improve their sales and business. And the hard thing about this is finding that places, so you don't know where to look for these companies. So let's say you're looking for clubs, typing make me a list of 10 small clubs in California, and ChatGPT is gonna give it to me. Now I have a list of 10 small businesses in California, and now individually I can copy and paste all the names in the Google, go in their website and look for their contacts, and send them an email saying that you're a copywriter and you can provide the copyright services for them to increase their sales. And if you don't know how to introduce yourself in front of them, you can ask ChatGPT, write me a cold email about marketing and sales for clubs or whatever type of businesses you want to reach out to. It's gonna give you a really decent example of what your email should look like, on which you just have to replace the club owner, the company name, and your name at the end. And you can send this email to many businesses as possible, and when some of them reaches back to you, you can offer them copywriting to increase their sales. And what you see me highlighting now is the copywriting. You can do the same for them, and if they're happy about their results, they're gonna reach out to you the next time and make a long-term income with working with few companies. Also, the rates of being a copywriter are not that kind of low. You can go to Fiverr.com and take a look how much money others copywriters are making. So you go to Fiverr, you type copywriting, then press search, and the most common number that is gonna appear is starting from $100 per email. So that's a good price that you can start from. Also, there's even people that are selling an email copywriting for $300 or even more. In most cases, the biggest struggle is getting a response from some companies. So if no one of them answers you, you can ask ChatGPT to give you even more number of companies, let's say 50, and you're gonna get it. And this is just for clubs. You can ask for pizza places, restaurants, gyms, all kind of businesses that might need an email copywriting. If you made it this far, make sure to leave a comment saying which method you prefer the most. And also check out this video right here. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.